Hi, my name is Mark Sergienko. I'm the creator of EventLive, a live streaming platform for weddings and other private events. So today we're on location and we're testing different audio options to enhance your live stream. We're going to be using our EventLive app on this iPhone, and we're going to be trying the sound from different distances, inside and outside, and we're going to be checking, is it worth to just use your built-in microphone, or is it worth to invest in some microphones? And we're going to be testing simple ones like this, or more advanced video microphones, wireless microphones, and we're gonna answer a question, is it worth to use your AirPods for this reason? So it's gonna be interesting, and I think we're gonna learn something today, so let's get started. The simplest way to grab the sound is just using your device's built-in microphone. We've enhanced our app to switch between the back microphone when you're using the rear camera, it's by default, or when you choose the selfie mode, we've enhanced it to use the front microphone. iPhone has a few microphones. It has one on the back right here by the cameras. It has the bottom microphone right around here, and it has a front microphone right around here. So we're going to be testing the back microphone in the stereo sound mode. We're going to test it outside to see if wind is going to become a problem and to see how far you can go away from it for your viewers to be able to hear you. So in the iPhone app, we've added the volume bar indicator so you can know that your microphone is working. And in the bottom left corner, we've added the name of the microphone so that you know which one your app is using right now. The app is going to tell you the correct way to turn your phone. You simply mount it on a tripod holder and you're good to go. There are some inexpensive microphones that you can plug directly into your phone. This one is called Saramonic DI Mini. It only costs around $40 and it should enhance the quality of your audio. The advantage of this is you can just plug it easily to your lightning adapter and you're good to go. Make sure it points to where the people are going to be speaking. We're going to test to see how good is this on location and how well is it dealing with the wind. So the idea of it is it can block some of the ambient noise and it can reduce the wind effect. But how good is this? We're gonna find out. So one of the popular options is this Rode VideoMicro. It costs around $60 to $80 and it comes with this large wind muff. It's called the Dead Cat. So you can mount it and it should give you a pretty good protection in the windy scenarios. This microphone can be used with both cameras and phones, but there's an important distinction. You need different cables for phones and cameras. The smartphone cable is going to be different from the camera cable. So you're going to notice there are 4 sections on the end that you need to plug into a smartphone, and there are only 3 sections on the end that you plug into your microphone or to your camera. Now, a lot of the modern smartphones don't have the audio jack, so you're also going to need an adapter. So make sure to put in the smartphone end inside the adapter end, and now put this microphone end inside the microphone. Now you're ready to plug it in. You're also going to need a little mount area on your phone mount, and you're good to go. The app indicator is going to tell you that you have the headset microphone plugged in now, and you can check the volume indicator to make sure it's working. Some microphone kits come with both cables, and sometimes they only come with the camera option, so you will need to purchase the smartphone cable separately. One common mistake with this type of microphone is that if you're using an ultra-wide lens, then this wind muff can get into the view and it can show on the camera here. One of the hacks for better audio might be using your AirPods that you might already have. They're Bluetooth and they support distance of up to around 10 meters. AirPods have a microphone built into them. Make sure you disable the automatic ear detection in the settings, and then you can use them outside your ear. How good they are, we'll find out today. One other option is a wireless microphone system. There are a few of them on the market, from around $70 to $200. They consist of a transmitter and a receiver. You can mount the transmitter on a person talking, like the Efficient, and you can optionally use a lavalier microphone with them. You can also use them as an actual microphone and pass them to the person speaking. Then the transmitter is easy to mount on top of the phone in the hot shoe adapter there. You also need the cords to connect them all. Make sure to use the smartphone end with the smartphone and plug it into the adapter, plug the output into the transmitter, and then plug the receiver into your smartphone.
So this is a built-in iPhone microphone. standing about 15 feet. We're outside and it's a little windy, so we're gonna see what it sounds like. This is a Saramonic microphone connected directly to the iPhone, and I'm standing about 15 feet away outside with some wind and some ambient noise. This is EventLive app, and this is Rode VideoMicro connected directly to the iPhone with the iPhone adapter and the Rode cable. I'm about 15 feet apart outside, and it's pretty windy and there's some ambient noise. I'm using AirPods connected to the iPhone via Bluetooth. I'm about 15 feet apart from the phone and I'm outside. It's a little windy and there's some ambient noises. So we're gonna test and I'm gonna talk first and
I'm gonna talk second.
we're gonna see how it works and if the sound is picked up. Please make sure to hold the AirPod upside down like this because the microphone is actually placed at the bottom of the AirPods.
A DIY hack, if you don't have any other external microphone, is to use AirPods, and we're just testing on location how that would sound. So I have one in my ear and Julia has
I
another.
have one right here, and we're about 15 feet apart from the phone that the AirPods are connected to, and it's actually pretty windy outside.
An advantage here is you can place them in your ears that are away from the camera, and then they wouldn't be visible in the shot.
Or you can also just have them out of here and talk directly to them, but for that, you'll have to make sure that you have the ear detection turned off on the phone. This is EventLive app, and I have a wireless Synco microphone with the transmitter on me and a receiver on the iPhone. I'm about 15 feet apart from the phone. I'm outside, it's pretty windy, and there's some ambient noises.
So we're testing the Synco receiver here with two people. The Synco receiver can be mounted on the Efficient or on the Groom and the Bride, and let's hear how the other person sounds in this scenario.
Hello, I'm pretending to be a bride.
Another option is to hand hold the Synco microphone and speak directly to it and then pass it around.
Hello, hello, and then I can pass it back when it's another person's turn to speak.
We're holding the Synco microphone on the same distance from both of us and we're trying to talk at it.
So we're pretending that it's in the middle and equal distance between us.
So it could be placed on a table if you're using one.
Hello, we're about 15 feet away from the phone and it's pretty windy outside today.
We're gonna do a quick test of how far you can go away from the phone using the Synco receiver. I'm gonna be walking backwards here and counting meters. This is about 5 meters now. This is about 9, 10 meter, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 47 meters. So I'm about 40 meters away and I'm gonna go and see if this wall is interfering with the microphone here. Now, I don't know if you can still hear me. I'm behind a thick brick wall. Now you're good again. So I'm about 40 meters away and walking towards the phone, and as you can see, there was still interference, and now the audio quality is great, and I can walk around, walk the other way, and see if these trees are gonna ruin my audio. I'm gonna try and go inside the church. And can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Are these walls messing up? The audio is still working. Great distance test. I'm getting back through the phone. Still talking. Hello, hello. So today we've tested quite a few different audio solutions for live streaming with your phone. We found that the best quality option is the wireless microphone solution such as Synco G1. If you're going to be streaming events, this is a no-brainer option since it only costs around $70. So it's a great investment to improve the quality of your live streams. If you're streaming your own wedding and you don't want to invest in the microphone that you might not use after, then do a test on location where your wedding is going to be and see if the built-in microphone is good enough. You can also place your phone just a little bit closer to where the ceremony is going to be so it can pick up more of the audio. If there is a sound system on location, the phone will do a better job at picking up the sound. Without the sound system on location, you might need to put the phone much closer to the bride and groom so it can pick up what they're saying. For the photographers out there, setting up a microphone on a bride or groom may be something new. So you can use a Synco receiver and just place it on a table nearby or clip it on the efficient. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find more information on EventLive.pro in the resources section.